Turning 30 doesn't suddenly change your body overnight, but many people begin noticing subtle shifts around this stage of life. Energy levels may not feel the same. Recovery can take longer. Stress seems to have a bigger impact. And maintaining fitness or a healthy weight often becomes more challenging than it was in the past. While aging itself plays a role, hormones are also part of the story. Today we will talk about the hormone destroying your body after 30, so before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 8. It drains your energy. Many people think stress only affects their emotions, but it also consumes enormous amounts of energy. Imagine leaving your car engine running all day long. Even if the vehicle isn't moving, it is still burning fuel. The same thing happens inside your body when cortisol remains elevated. Your nervous system stays on high alert, constantly scanning for problems and preparing for challenges. This hidden activity requires energy, which means you may feel exhausted even if you haven't done much physical work. Many people wake up tired, rely on caffeine to get through the day, and still feel drained by the evening. They assume they're simply getting older, when the real issue may be that their body is spending every day fighting a battle that never ends. Chronic stress turns your body's energy reserves into a resource that is constantly being depleted. 7. It disrupts your sleep. Sleep is one of the most important recovery processes in the human body, yet cortisol can interfere with it in powerful ways. Under normal conditions, cortisol levels are highest in the morning to help you wake up and gradually decrease throughout the day so you can relax at night. Chronic stress disrupts this natural rhythm. Many people lie in bed feeling physically exhausted but mentally wide awake. Their thoughts race from one problem to another, replaying conversations, worrying about tomorrow, and analyzing situations they can't control. Even when they eventually fall asleep, the quality of that sleep may be poor. They wake up feeling unrefreshed, which creates even more stress the following day. This cycle can continue indefinitely, causing sleep problems that seem impossible to solve until the underlying stress is addressed. 6. It accelerates muscle loss after the age of 30. Maintaining muscle becomes increasingly important for long-term health. Muscle supports strength, balance, metabolism, mobility, and overall quality of life. Unfortunately, elevated cortisol can make it harder to preserve and build muscle. When your body remains in a prolonged state of stress, it becomes more focused on immediate survival than long-term growth and repair. Recovery slows down, and the body becomes less efficient at supporting muscle development. Over time, this can contribute to gradual muscle loss, leaving people feeling weaker and less energetic. Many assume this decline is simply a natural consequence of aging, but chronic stress often accelerates the process. This is one reason why people who actively manage stress often maintain their strength and physical abilities better as they grow older. 5. It affects your brain. Your brain is highly sensitive to stress hormones, and long-term exposure to elevated cortisol can affect how it functions. Many people experience difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, mental fatigue, and a feeling commonly known as brain fog. Tasks that once felt easy suddenly require more effort. Reading becomes harder, focus disappears more quickly, and decision-making becomes exhausting. The brain is forced to allocate resources toward managing stress rather than supporting optimal performance. Over time, this can leave people feeling mentally older than they actually are. They may assume their memory is declining because of age, when the real issue is that their brain has been operating under constant pressure for years. Chronic stress doesn't just affect how you feel emotionally, it can influence how clearly you think and how effectively your brain performs. 4. It weakens your recovery every day. Your body experiences wear and tear. Physical activity, work, emotional challenges, and even normal biological processes create small amounts of stress that require recovery. Recovery is when the body repairs damage, restores energy, and prepares for future demands. Elevated cortisol interferes with this process by keeping the body focused on defense rather than repair. Many people notice that they recover more slowly from workouts, illnesses, injuries, and stressful events than they used to. They bounce back less quickly and often feel run down for longer periods of time. This isn't necessarily because they're getting older. In many cases, it's because their body isn't receiving enough opportunities to fully recover from the stress it's experiencing every day. 3. It increases unhealthy cravings. Have you ever noticed that stressful days often make you crave sugary foods, fast food, or unhealthy snacks? That's not simply a lack of willpower. Cortisol can influence appetite and food preferences in ways that encourage the consumption of high-calorie comfort foods. These foods provide temporary feelings of relief and pleasure, which is exactly what a stressed brain is seeking. Unfortunately, the relief is short-lived. Soon the cravings return, often stronger than before. This creates a cycle where stress leads to unhealthy eating. Unhealthy eating contributes to weight gain and low energy, and those problems create even more stress. Many people become trapped in this pattern without realizing that their hormones are influencing many of their food choices. 2. It keeps you in survival mode. The human body was designed to handle short-term emergencies, not constant pressure. Yet millions of people spend their lives in a permanent state of survival mode. They rush through mornings, worry throughout the day, check their phones constantly, juggle endless responsibilities, and rarely give themselves time to truly relax. As far as the body is concerned, danger never ends. Cortisol remains elevated because the brain continues detecting threats everywhere. In survival mode, long-term health becomes a lower priority. The body focuses on getting through today instead of optimizing for tomorrow. This might be useful during a genuine crisis, but it becomes damaging when it continues for years. Living in survival mode prevents the body from functioning at its best and slowly erodes health over time. 1. It makes you feel older than you really are. This is the biggest reason cortisol becomes so destructive after 30. It affects nearly every major system in your body at the same time. It influences sleep, energy, weight, recovery, muscle mass, cravings, focus, mood, and overall well-being. When all of these areas begin suffering simultaneously, people naturally assume they're getting old. They accept fatigue, weight gain, poor concentration, and declining performance as unavoidable parts of aging. But many of these symptoms are actually signs of chronic stress. While aging is inevitable, stress can accelerate the process and make you feel much older than your actual age. The difference between someone who feels energetic and healthy at 50 and someone who feels exhausted and worn out at the same age often comes down to how effectively they have managed stress throughout their lives. The body is remarkably resilient, but even the strongest systems begin to struggle when they are forced to operate under constant pressure. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.